Hello friends, welcome back to Stable Automation. In this video, I will demonstrate newly created reporting tool, specially developed for Siemens WinCC Runtime Advance. In this tool, it has all facilities of Previo's version like, report can be generated in auto or manually by user-selected date, time and duration. Report can be generated in Excel and PDF format. As in previous tool, VB script was required to log the data into SQL. But in this version, there is no any scripting required. We will log the data into SQL by data log of the TIA portal. And for that we will be required to configure data source name. Data source name will be configured from the Windows Administrative tool. There you will be required to select the SQL server and database name where you want to save data log. New SQL database can be created using reporting tool. Here you will be required to configure SQL server name, username and password for the SQL server. As I said in my previous post that total configuration time will be less than 10 minutes. Let us start the configuration and check how long it takes. Here I have configured a sample backup with some local tags. I will create reporting for tag_R01 to tag_R10. Open the historical data and create a new data log. Now in the storage location select the database. Maximum 5 lakhs data can be saved per segment. In logging method select segmental circular log. Here for demonstration, I am configuring 10 in number of segments. So total we will have 5 lakhs x 10, that is 50 lakhs of data records for our reporting. Now to configure data source, open administrative tool and select data sources, ODBC. In the user DSN, add new user data source and select SQL Server native client. Now here you can give any name for your data source, the same name we required to configure in TIA portal data log. And select the SQL Server from the drop-down list. First copy the data source name and paste in TIA portal, to avoid any typo error. And then copy the SQL Server name. Open the reporting tool and then open settings with password. Now paste the SQL Server name in the server name field. As there is no any user password created for this SQL Server, I am keeping both the section empty. Now in the database section, give any name and press Create Database button to create new database in the SQL Server.
Now come back to ODBC configuration. In the next step, check the Change the Default Database option, and select Newly Created Database, that is, report_DB. Click Next and then finish the configuration. Now from TIA portal data log, copy the name of the data log and paste in the table section of the settings of reporting tool. And save the settings. Come back to TIA portal and select the tags required for reporting. Keep the logging cycle to 1 minute. Now starting the simulation. So it will start logging of the data. Now writing values to each tags. So we can check these values in report. Now let us configure Excel sheet in which report will be generated. Save the format and close the Excel file. Path of this sample file is required to configure in the reporting tool. So report will be generated in this format. Open the settings of reporting tool. Here press the read button next to reporting tags. It will return all the tags being logged into SQL by TIA portal. Now in the reporting tags, write down the tags for which reporting is required. Note that report will be generated in the same sequence of the tags that you are configuring here. In the File Settings section, locate the sample file that we have prepared. And locate zone where we want to save the generated report. Save the configuration. That's it. We have finished all the settings and reporting tool is ready to use. Now waiting for some hours for TIA portal to log enough data into SQL, so we can generate the report. After some hours, now we can test the reporting. Open reporting tool. Select from and to timing. And select the required interval between each data. And press Generate. And report is generated. Let us generate for some different time and interval. You can notice it has generated report for the interval of every 5 minutes. Now if you try to generate report for the date, on which there is no any data, it will give you an error like, no record returned. Now let us change the tag sequence for the report. Changing last two tags in the report tag section. Now generating the report again. You can notice, sequence of the values have also changed as per our configuration. Changing in the format and generating new report. So now report is generated as per new format. This tool can be downloaded from the link given in video description. You can contact us for activation key and other customized reporting tool. Thank you for watching.